A student in Chester County is getting praise after immediately using a science lesson to detect a real-life issue.
NBC 10's Tim Furlong shows us how he found a heart murmur in his classmate.
Everybody's safe. We've triaged everybody. Everybody's cool.
This teacher's biomedical science class is very, very real world.
In the class, they assume roles of different medical professionals and biology professionals. We have to staff these facilities, right?
And it's not just hands-on. One day in the fall, it was stethoscopes on, teaching the kids about vital signs and what hearts should and shouldn't sound like. This guy, Wyatt, yeah, he clearly paid attention. When he paired up with his friend Bryce to check his heart, he picked up on something he had just learned about minutes earlier.
I had taken it, I heard a swooshing sound, and I wasn't exactly sure what it was, but then she came out and she had kind of said as a joke, like, did you guys hear a heart murmur at all? And I was like, I feel like I did hear something.
A couple other buddies also took a listen, and Bryce told his doctor about it.
And I happened to mention it to him as like kind of a hey, check it out type of story, and he mentioned that's kind of like a bit of a deal, should look at it. So then he listened. And even for a trained medical professional, it was really hard for him to hear it.
Based partially on young Dr. Wyatt's diagnosis, Bryce's doctor ordered an EKG. Turns out he does have a heart murmur. Nothing crazy dangerous, but definitely something to be aware of, and now he is aware of it, thanks to his classmate.
What do you say to your boy?
That he hooked me up.
Bryce has his health. This nice lady has one of the greatest, most forever braggable teacher moment stories ever. And Wyatt has the satisfaction of knowing he might have helped his friend live a good long life by making him aware of a potential heart problem.
Yeah, it's like a good thing just to know that, I maybe held some part in it.
At Avon Grove Charter School, Tim Furlong, NBC 10 News.